Hi, Stephen with Mobile Merchandisers, here to show you how to put together our Z-Rack. The Z-Rack consists of a base component, and then we have 5 shelves and a sign frame, and they all fit together using a slide lock, which I'm going to show you in just a minute. So first we're going to start by putting the base together. Now I've already assembled the casters to the bottom. They simply just thread into the bottom using a lock washer here. So we're going to take these guys, and I have a bolt and a flat washer. I'm going to feed those together. Take my Allen wrench, which is included, and get those tightened down. Okay, so our base is complete. Now the slide lock holes are here, and I'm going to take my first shelf that's got the slide lock teeth and line those up and lock down. I'm going to take my next shelf, put the teeth, and the slide lock holes are in the back of the first shelf, line those up, lock down. And the topper is a 3-sided sign frame with the teeth on it as well. And there's your Z-Rack.